In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the year on Google Calendar. First, let's start by opening Google Calendar. You can do this by navigating to your web browser and typing in the URL. If you're using a mobile device, you can also tap on the Google Calendar app icon. Once you are in Google Calendar, you will see your main calendar view. This view typically shows the current month along with your events and appointments. This step is crucial because you need to be in the right application to make any changes. Once Google Calendar is open, you'll be ready to adjust the year as needed. Next, look at the top left corner of your calendar. There, you will see the current month and year displayed prominently. Click on this area. This action may seem simple, but it is an important gateway to changing your calendar settings. When you click this, a drop-down or a pop-up will appear. This shows you the months and years available for selection. Remember, this is where you initiate the process of changing the year, so ensure you click precisely in this area to avoid any mistakes. Now, once you have clicked the month and year, you will see options to select a specific year or navigate using arrows. You can either scroll through the list to find the year you want, or use the left and right arrows to move through the months until you reach your desired year. This flexibility allows you to quickly access any year you need, whether it's for planning future events or reviewing past ones. This is important because it helps you manage your time effectively, keeping you organized and on top of your schedule. After you have selected the year you want, take a moment to confirm your selection. The calendar should automatically refresh to display the month of the year you selected. You should see the events for that month, if any are scheduled. This confirmation step is reassuring because it shows that your choice has been successfully applied. If you don't see the changes immediately, simply click again to ensure your selection is registered. From there, you can navigate through the months of that year using the same click method. If you wish to switch back to the current year or another year, just repeat the process. This ease of navigation is one of the great features of Google Calendar. It keeps your planning smooth and efficient, allowing you to focus more on scheduling rather than getting stuck in the calendar interface. With that ready, you now know how to change the year on Google Calendar. This skill is particularly useful for planning future events, setting reminders, or even reviewing past appointments. Always remember, staying organized is key to managing your time effectively. You should now feel comfortable navigating through the years on your calendar, whether for personal or professional use. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope you find this information helpful in your future planning endeavors. Happy scheduling!